Hey Flosstube, welcome back to another episode of my monthly stitching blog. This is going to be the March 2024 episode. My name is Christine, and welcome if you're visiting me for the first time, and welcome back if you are a longtime subscriber. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm just sitting here. It's the afternoon of March 1st, and this was my leap day start yesterday, and I had a little bit of time to stitch it today, so I just kind of wanted to show you where I'm starting it off with at the beginning of the month. So I got just a little bit done today, a little bit done yesterday, and a little bit done today, and yeah, I don't really know what my plans are going to be, because if you're following me for the first time, if you go back to, January and February vlogs, you'll see that I got a new puppy, and it's taken up a lot of my time. So all my plans for 2024 stitching kind of went out the window, and now I'm just kind of taking it day by day and seeing what I can stitch. So these mill hills are kind of quick to grab and easy to work on, and so I've really been enjoying just having one nearby. So I think that's what I'm going to work on this month, unless I start something new and work on something different. But stay tuned, and you'll be the first to know what I'm up to in March. See you soon. Good morning, Flosstube. It is the end of March today. Actually, I'm sorry, it's actually the beginning of April. Today's April Fool's Day, and I didn't do any vlogging in March. I barely did any stitching at all. This little pup here is taking up all of my free time. Huh, yes you are. Go get it. So I love to play with her with this flirt pole, because she really she kind of gets a little crazy when my hands are near her. So we play with this, and I usually will run her around the yard a little bit more. She's getting a little tired now. She's about ready for a nap, and but she was still just being a little bit playful, so I'm just kind of trying to tone it down a little bit with her while I chat with you guys and tell you that I really just didn't get any stitching done in March. I did very little. I did a little bit of the felt. I think I worked on a felt panda and a felt koala bear for Mary Stockings, and then I worked on one mill hill kit, sugar cookie house I think it is. And as soon as I put this little girl down for a nap, I will give you a brief look at what I stitched, which wasn't a lot. Good morning, stitchers. It's April 8th. It's April 6th this morning. It's a Saturday morning, and I'm here to just give you a very quick update of what I worked on in March. So I started this project here, this Buttons and Beads Mill Hill Sugar Cookie House. This was it was my leap day start, if I remember correctly, yes. And it is really the only thing that I've been working on cross-stitching wise since leap day. And I got most of this done, I would say. So let's see, maybe the first couple weeks of March I got a lot of this done, because I don't feel like I've done any stitching really in the later part of March. So, and certainly I haven't done any so far in April. But I made some good progress here. And yeah, I was working on just kind of that repetitive stitching around the border in the background, and it was really nice, just kind of relaxing, didn't have to do much thinking. And yeah, I know I just don't have a whole lot to show, but that's all I did cross-stitching wise. I did do a little bit of felt projects, so I'm going to quickly show you what I did with that. If you might remember, the end of February, I was working on this panda right here, the Easter panda from Mary Stockings, and I got him all done. And yeah, I think I was mostly done with him in February, but I did get him done before Easter. So cute. I really need to get some photos updated on Instagram. I've been neglecting my Instagram lately. And yeah, so right after I did this one, I decided I was going to finish off the Halloween panda that I had started I started him way back in the fall, and then he's just kind of been half done. So I've got him done as well. I made one small change with the eyes on the cat. I actually put some green floss there. I just pulled some out of my stash, and because I think that it was just supposed to be black floss, but I decided to give him some green, and then you couldn't see the green, so then I gave him 2 little black pupils. So I don't know, I was not sure that I liked the way that turned out, and then I just left him, and now that I look at him again, he's cute. I'm just gonna leave it. I mean, it's not worth fixing. So there, I got that one done. I'm almost done with the whole series. I think the only one I have left to do is the Thanksgiving Panda and the it's the schoolhouse. Oh no, I actually have 3. There's one where he's holding a wreath, so another Christmas one, and the Thanksgiving Panda, and the whatever, the one for August. He's just sitting on some books and has some crayons. So I'll work on those, and then that way, then in 2025, I'll have all of these to display. I think what I might do is get one of those little stands on Amazon that just has a hook where you can like hang one ornament, and then I think just each month I'll just hang, like it's it sits like on a shelf, and you can hang something from it, and I think I'll just hang one of these each month next year in 2025. Then so in case you're new to me, to my channel, or new to these felt kits, so Merry Stockings has these Merry Collectibles, they're called, and each year they release 12 or so new ones for the year, and these were the 2023 releases, and then in 2024 they have an angel series, and then they also have these adorable little koalas. I wasn't buying any of the koalas until I saw this one, and I fell in love with that one because of the chocolate bunny. So I went ahead and bought one of the koalas because, oh my gosh, that sweater, and oh my gosh, the chocolate bunny, so cute. So I ordered him about the week before Easter, and I was able to get him or her done right. I think just, I don't think I got her done on Easter, but I got her done shortly after. So cute. Oh my gosh, that sweater is so cute. So the koalas have quite a bit more satin stitching. So the eyes are satin stitched, and the cheeks. The nose is supposed to be satin stitched, but I just cut a piece of black felt and did black felt instead because, I don't know, my satin stitching, especially when I have to do circles, is all wonky. I mean, in the end it's cute, but it's just, I don't know, it's just not really enjoyable for me to make those satin stitches look like circles. But super cute, and yeah, that's really all I have done in March. Yep, that's it. Minimal crafting. Then what did I do? I did before Easter, actually before I bought this little guy, I was looking at my other felt kits for Easter to see what I could work on, and I had remembered that I had these Easter bonnet. Let me grab it. Okay, this set right here, it's called Easter Bonnet Parade, and it's all these little bunnies with these adorable hats. And I actually recorded an unboxing of this. I never uploaded it because I was going to, originally my plan was to do a video of making these, but I don't know, my time has changed a little bit now, and I don't know if that'll happen. So I went ahead and started one of these by just cutting out all the pieces. I have not done any stitching yet, but I did cut out the pieces and was going to work on this before Easter, and I didn't. So I don't know, now that Easter has passed, I'm not sure if I'll continue working on this or just put it away and save it for next year, because now I'm kind of starting to want to work on some of my other felt kits. I'd have to say my mood for felting the felt kits is a little bit stronger now than my mood for cross stitching. So I don't know. So like I said, it's April 6th, and my birthday month is in April. So my birthday is on April 20th, and I usually do a new start. So I'm going to probably start a new felt kit and going to start a new cross stitch kit for my birthday, but I highly doubt I'll get much done on either of them. So I will try to stop in at the end of April with an update and let you know what I get done in April, if anything. Mary and I are going to start obedience classes on, it technically starts tomorrow, but tomorrow's just the orientation, and that's going to be just me without her. And then next Sunday and for 6 Sundays after that, we're going to be doing our obedience classes and learning some manners to be a good canine citizen of the world, like her trainer likes to say. So that is probably going to take some extra time too, but we'll see. I don't know. I may just go ahead and start something new today, but I thought I'd get this little update uploaded for you guys, just so you can kind of check in with me and see what I've been up to. All right. Well, I will hopefully see you at the end of April. If not, sometime in May, maybe. We'll see how it goes. All right, I hope you all have a happy stitching day, and I will check in with you soon. Bye for now. What? I don't have anything in my pocket. I don't have anything. No, I really don't.